Howdy guys, I'm Jeep and Jason, and I have a different kind of video for the AutoEdits channel today.
Welcome to the adventure of a lifetime. Welcome to Operation Jeep Recon.
I got invited to the big reveal for the new 2026 Jeep Recon here in Los Angeles. And even though viewers of this channel know I'm a Wrangler dude to the core, I am actually really interested in this vehicle release from Jeep, and I'll explain that better later. But I wanted to take this opportunity to bring you along with me as an influencer to give a sneak peek behind the curtain of a media event like this, but from my unique perspective.
Operation Jeep Recon is now live.
Let your adventure begin right this way.
Set up in a soundstage just outside of Hollywood, we were told to visit the 4 displays showcasing different features of the Jeep Recon. But first, being a true journalist, I'm all about that free food. Yum. Oh wait, sliders? Yes, please. All right, back to work. Here's a quick overview of the Recon. It will be the first fully electric trail-rated vehicle from Jeep, sporting 650 horsepower from dual electric motors, 33-inch tires, easily removable doors, and what I feel are some very handsome styling cues that are unmistakably Jeep. The Recon has caught my interest as a cool, medium-sized practical city rig that you could actually do some real off-road adventures in.
This one kind of shows off the short approach and departure angles, but check this out. This is the thing that has impressed me the most so far. It looks like it has half-ton truck suspension. Look at the beefy control arm. Look at the half shaft, very beefy. And then what do you see missing here from IFS off-roaders? There's no rack and pinion steering arm here. It's in the rear. So that's it in the back. So that protects it from rocks and things, and approach angle on this area that I love.
So here we have the 26 Jeep Recon Moab Edition. So it's 650 horsepower, fastest SUV under 70 grand, most horsepower under 70 grand, 3.6 seconds, 0 to 60. So we're pretty proud of that.
The range is 230 miles for this vehicle, for this particular trim level. But for someone that's going off-roading, to give an example, at Moab, we would go from the hotel, we did a big trail like Hell's Revenge, did Hell's Gate. You're only using in the rock climbing environment maybe 12% of state of charge of the battery.
Well, what we're showcasing here is water fording ability on the new Recon. It can do 24 inches water fording thanks to its fully sealed battery pack. So that's kind of what the whole gist of Lake Recon here.
This sandcastle is actually 65.9 cubic feet, and it fits in the Jeep Recon behind the first row. The Jeep Recon has removable doors, rear quarter glass, swing gate glass, and has the optional Sky one-touch power top for open air freedom.
Let's get in this thing. So here's the interior. It has that full-length sunroof open right now, and this gives you a look at the dash. This is actually quite sporty. I'm liking this. The more I see of it, the more I like it. So, wheel is very chunky, blocky. It's kind of a square, actually, if you kind of look at it. Kind of neat. I'm looking forward to actually driving this. So here's your controls, shift, and then you have all of your off-road controls here. I like it.
The segment this all-new Jeep is landing in next year has some notable competitors. The Rivian R2 and the Scout Traveler SUV both come to mind. And I think the Recon stands tall given the edge Jeep has in developing legitimate off-road capable vehicles, yet catching a perfect styling blend of futuristic enough looks rooted in that deep legacy of Jeep DNA. But that's just my opinion, and someone I look up to in the off-road world, trail boss Nina Barlow, has a hot take on the new off-roader.
It's sort of like a Rubicon and a Cherokee got together and had a baby. That's how I'm describing this guy. You know, the doors come off, but it's got a lot more road manners than the Wrangler does, you know, so it's pretty amazing. Yeah.
We have things like that.
And a rear locker. Yeah, legitimately thumbs up. And I have to say, I think I told the engineers, you know, when we were doing some sand spray in the open area where the sand is, this was the first car that I've driven that I actually had to lift. Everything else I drive, even a 392, it is matted. But this car was like, whoa. You know, she's got so much torque, so much power.
It was actually fun to drive.
Oh my gosh, yeah. I'm driving the white one in the video, so go look.
I spent the rest of the evening at the Recon event enjoying the atmosphere, snagging a bit more food, getting tips on how I might improve my social media presence, and bench racing all of the exciting new electric off-road capable SUVs coming out next year.
So thank you guys for coming along on this little video. What a fun little sidebar, and thank you to Con Media, Anna Glenn and those folks over there to invite me to something like this. This is where I'd like to be here in the near future, so hope to see a bunch more diverse and fun things like this on the channel. So again, thank you for coming along on this, and until next time, enjoy your drive. I'm hoping to be behind the wheel of one of these things actually out in the dirt.